I hurt my back at work, so I got this Carex Easy Lock raised toilet seat to help me get on and off the toilet. I love how easy it is to install. Just set it on the toilet rim and turn the knob to lock it in place. A couple of minutes and you're all set. It adds 5 inches of height to the seat, and it's for almost any sized round or elongated toilets. This makes it so much easier to use the bathroom. It's also perfect for seniors or those with a handicap. It's super comfortable with a durable plastic seat designed to conform to the contours of your body. And the built-in hand grips assist you while getting on and off. Don't worry about not being stable. It can hold up to 300 pounds with ease. When finished, you can remove it easily and store it away if you're having guests over. Carex recommends not using abrasive cleaners or cloths to keep it looking new. You should check it out. After all, it's by Carex, a trusted brand.